In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how you can use ZOOMcatalog to find products and ideas from promotional product suppliers. ZOOMcatalog is a website that you can visit to find all supplier catalogs online and in one place. This is a really quick walkthrough, so if you want a more in-depth tour of the tool, reach out to us at hello@zoomcatalog.com. To get started, you'll visit zoomcatalog.com, and in the middle of the screen, you'll see a search bar. Here you're going to type in a product, supplier name, product ID, and so forth. So for example, if I'm looking for umbrellas, I can type in that keyword, and our system is going to find every page in every supplier catalog that has that product on it. So a little different than the traditional search engine, we're actually searching the supplier catalogs. And this is really nice because supplier catalogs use lifestyle shots and group similar items, so you can get a really good idea not only of what's out there, but what similar items are available and find great shots to share with your customers. So you can see I'm busy browsing the results. On the left-hand side, I have a list of suppliers that carry the item I searched for. And in the middle, I have each catalog that contained what I look for. So you can see the supplier name, Peerless Umbrella, the catalog cover, and then every page within that specific catalog that has the product that I typed into the search box. So I can hover over each for an enlarged preview. And once I find an item I'm interested in, there's two things I can do. One, I can enlarge the results. So I can click on it, and you can see now I'm looking at the Imagine Brands catalog, and I'm seeing just pages within their catalog that have umbrellas. So I can see everything they have available, and when I find something I'd like to share, I can print, download, or email the page. Alternatively, you can click on the catalog icon, which is going to open the supplier's catalog to that specific page. This is the same experience as having the print catalog open on your desk, so you can browse back and forth and see what other items are inside of the supplier's catalog. We're going to do another tutorial on how to use the Zoom catalogs to send to your customers, add to your website, your email signatures, how to grab the images from inside these catalogs, and more. So look out for that tutorial to learn how to use and share catalogs easily. Now, jumping back to the search engine, you can conduct as many searches as you like. As mentioned, you can search by keyword, product name, product ID. You can also search by supplier. So say, for example, you knew you wanted to share the PCNA catalog with your customer, you'll type in the supplier's name and see all the catalogs that they currently have available. You're likely going to see catalogs here that you've never seen before because suppliers are starting to create catalogs for digital only. They're not shipping these out in the mail. They're also taking their full line catalogs and breaking them out into smaller niche catalogs, making it nicer and easier for you to share more relevant items with your customers. So for example, looking at PCNA, they have their Hydro Flask catalog, their perfectly packaged gift catalog, their eco products grouped together in a catalog. So depending on what kind of marketing campaign you're running or what products your customer is looking for, you should be able to find the perfect catalog that doesn't have thousands of products to overwhelm your customer, but is still a nice assortment of items that they can browse, enriched with lifestyle shots and other images. A few other things with the Zoom catalog search engine. You can toggle between different countries, so you can see the US and the Canadian catalogs and so forth. We also have some tabs here that are constantly updating. Currently, we have an apparel catalogs tab, a spring summer catalogs tab, and a video enabled catalogs tab. Video enabled catalogs are super cool because suppliers are putting their videos on the pages of their catalogs. So while browsing and shopping, you can watch videos of those items. You can also grab those videos and use them as you wish on your website and social media. So jump onto Zoom Catalog and check it out. Definitely bookmark this so you can come here and search for catalogs and products as needed. If you need lifestyle shots and images, this is the place to come. And again, if you want that full walkthrough demo, reach out to us at hello@zoomcatalog.com.